everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're excited to share with you some exciting new features of the Realme 13, the latest addition to the Realme family. This advanced device is packed with top-notch features, making it a must-have for tech enthusiasts. So let's dive right in and explore the Realme 13's top highlights. First up, let's talk about the Realme 13's stunning design. With its sleek, modern look, this device is sure to turn heads. The 6.7-inch AMOLED display is not only vibrant, but also energy efficient, ensuring that you can enjoy your favorite content for hours on end. Next, let's talk about the Realme 13's powerful performance. Equipped with the latest Snapdragon processor, this device is a true powerhouse. Whether you're playing games, streaming videos, or multitasking, the Realme 13 delivers a smooth and seamless experience. Now, let's move on to the Realme 13's advanced camera system. With its 50MP primary camera and 16MP front-facing camera, you can capture stunning photos and videos with ease. The device also comes with a range of camera features, such as night mode, portrait mode, and more, allowing you to unleash your creative potential. Moving on to the Realme 13's battery life, this device is built to last. With a 5,000 mAh battery, you can enjoy your favorite content for hours on end without worrying about running out of juice. And if you do need to charge, the Realme 13 supports 67W super dark charging, allowing you to get back to your day in no time. Lastly, let's talk about the Realme 13's software. The device comes with the latest version of Realme UI, providing a smooth and intuitive user experience. The device also supports OTA updates, ensuring that you always have the latest software updates and features. In conclusion, the Realme 13 is a fantastic device that combines top-notch features, advanced technology, and a sleek design. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for a reliable device, the Realme 13 is definitely worth considering. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech updates and reviews. Until next time, stay tech savvy.